National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morehouse Parish in northeast Louisiana. This includes the city of Bastrop until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 13 miles south of Bastrop, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will
tornado warning.
Bastrop by 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winds of 60 miles
Not
per
that.
hour.
It's not an area though.
Possibly resulting in injury and property damage.
Sadly.
Roofs of mobile homes and outbuildings can be damaged, and minor roof damage to well-built homes and structures can occur. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday morning for southeast Arkansas and northeast Louisiana and western Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Morehouse Parish, Louisiana.